Think about all the people that helped you make it through today or just gave a smile if you messed up an exam. Thank them, thank for this journey, and remember all the parts that ended this chapter into your new one.
There will be obstacles like moving from school curriculum to real-world kitchens, and pivots like when I decided to go from the back of house to office life. You are ready for these new obstacles, but understand that the work ahead will push you differently, and that's a good thing. You'll be challenged to work harder, smarter, faster, and more collaboratively than ever before. Use your resources, ask questions, and most importantly, show up every single day ready to work.
I hereby confirm and certify that you have met the requirements as stipulated by Culinary Institute Lenotre